Hello guys, I'm going to be making my logo for the 2nd of July Farnham Child's Business Fair collaboration, and I'm going to be making my logo. So I'm going to start with the text. Since I'm doing this with my sister, I'm going to be putting my name of the company, which is George and Rosalie's Flourishing Fertiliser. I can change the colours and I can adapt this in any way I like, which in my opinion is really cool. I'm going to put purple because it's my sister's favourite colour. I'm leaving blue because that's my favourite colour, and black because I just like it. I can also change the size of everything, which I really like this, and I'm going to change this to 30, 50, that's going to be 40, and then when I run, everything's going to be different. Although I might have to make the text a little bit smaller, but in general I think this is a big success, and I'm going to be using this logo right here for my business. So thank you for watching, and if anyone wants to come and buy some fertiliser, it's on the 2nd of July in Farnham, and it's £3.50 for a bottle of fertiliser, which you can use for anything, or you can give it as a gift to your grandparents. So that was it. Thank you for watching.